SafeAssign is an originality checker that helps instructors guide students to avoid plagiarism and follow proper academic writing principles. After students submit a safe assignment, the system produces a similarity report that shows how much of the paper matches other sources of information. This video shows how to set up the safe assignment in Blackboard and interpret the similarity report. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a SafeAssign assignment in Blackboard, set the options for the safe assignment, review the student submission and retrieve the similarity report, interpret the similarity report, and grade the assignment. Let's get started. The steps to create an assignment using SafeAssign are identical to creating any assignment. First, navigate to the content area where the submission item is to be located. From the action bar at the top, go to Assessments and select Assignment to create a new assignment submission item. Enter the assignment name and instructions, then scroll down to the Grading section to enter the total points. Select the Submission Details link. If you want students to be able to submit one or more drafts, use the drop-down menu to choose the appropriate option. Select the box that designates that these submissions are to be checked against the SafeAssign database. Decide whether students should be allowed to view the similarity report directly, as well as whether submissions should be excluded from or added to the database. Scroll down to Submit. The new assignment appears in the Content area. Now it's time to review the SafeAssign similarity report to determine if the percent of matched material is a potential plagiarism concern. To view the student submission and the similarity report, go to Needs Grading. Select the link for the student whose submission you want to grade. On the left, the viewing panel displays the submitted paper, and on the right, the grading panel opens. The grading panel contains the link to the SafeAssign similarity report. To view the report, select the down arrow, then View Originality Report. The overall percentage match is an indication of how much of the content matches outside sources. You'll want to carefully review the report to confirm whether these matches were properly cited and attributed. The similarity report highlights areas that match other works found in the database, color-coded to each source. These are shown in the list of citations. Review each highlighted item. Click the link to see an excerpt of the matched content. The identified wording might be a direct quote or a commonly used phrase. Confirm that the highlighted passage was properly attributed. To view the identified source in a fuller context, select the link from the citations list. Note that some citations may not include an active hyperlink to the original source. To remove highlighting, select the associated pen icon in the citations list. You may print the similarity report, and if needed, additional information is readily accessible via the Help icon. After you finish reviewing the similarity report, return to Blackboard's Grading page. You can add annotated comments directly from this area or download a copy of the assignment, add comments, and attach as part of the feedback. Enter the student's grade. To provide feedback to the student, open the grading panel and type your comments in the feedback box. Select Submit to save the grade and feedback. Let's review. First, in Blackboard Learn, create the assignment and mark the box to submit it through SafeAssign. After students submit their work, access the student's submission and carefully review the associated SafeAssign similarity report. Confirm that matching content was properly attributed. Finally, enter grades and provide appropriate feedback. Remember, SafeAssign helps the instructor guide students to use proper academic citation principles and avoid plagiarism, whether accidental or intentional. For more information, contact Academic Outreach and Innovation.